guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really simple and easy recipe for you guys. I have barbecue meatballs in the crock pot. So with no further ado, let's get started. So first off, we're going to start off with our meatballs, which I have the frozen meatballs. If you want to take time to roast the meatballs out and cook them, you know, for this recipe, you can. But me, I'm going to do it a quick, simple, and easy way. And I'm going to use store-bought meatballs, no matter what brand you get. We're just going to place them in our crock pot. Next, I'm going to add grape jelly. So I have some grape jelly here. So for 2.5 bags of meatballs, you're going to use about a cup of jelly. We're going to start off with a half. You may have to add more later, but let's start off with a half. Next, I have chili sauce. So we're going to add our chili sauce. It's really thick. So we're going to use a half of our chili sauce. And next we're going to add the barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce of your choice. I have honey barbecue sauce here I'm going to use. But you can use original or, you know, the sweet and spicy. Whatever you want. You're just going to cover it with barbecue sauce. Get it nice and coated. Alright. You want to give it a little mix. Toss the meatballs around. Next, what I like to add is just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Just a pinch, not a whole lot, not even a teaspoon, just a pinch. There you go. So next, you want to set your crock pot on high for 3 hours. You want to place the top on it and you want to allow it to cook down. And once it cooks down, then you will be able to tell whether you need to add more grape jelly, more chili sauce, or more barbecue sauce. So until it cooks down, I'll be back. Just want to stir them up, you know, get all the jelly and barbecue sauce and chili sauce from the bottom, and move the meatballs that's at the bottom to the top to allow them to cook evenly. They are no longer frozen, they are soft. So now all we're going to do is place the top back on and finish allowing them to cook for the remaining hour and a half. Our meatballs has cooked for a total of 3 hours. So we're just gonna check them. They are cooked really well. So that's it. That's all you do. Simple and easy. You can't beat it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my grape jelly crock pot meatballs. This is a great recipe, easy, fast, simple. Put it all in a crock pot, give it 3 hours, come back later and you're ready to go. This is good for any occasion, you know, any party, any event you have. So comment below and let me know what you think about this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.